Get strong.
Does your shop need a transfer that's cute, quirky, and totally trending? Get ready to meet your next top seller. Introducing our Polka Dot Platform Girl. She's got the iconic look, from her adorable bows to those show-stopping chunky boots. This design is fashion fun. Perfect for custom shirts and accessories, this high detail design looks fantastic on both light and dark fabrics. It's an instant hit for customers who love unique style. It's an Eco Solvent Heat Transfer. This means vibrant colors and incredible durability. Press it easily with your heat press or iron, and you're ready to go. Stop waiting. Grab this stylish, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunction.com and jump on the next big trend. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.